What should I call it? Yeah, that's pretty dumb. I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. Everybody, it's Mandy. For those of you who are new, thank you so much for subscribing and watching my videos, guys, and welcome to the video. Guys, I wanted to have fun. I know we've been over this YouTube stuff, but we've been pulling together beautifully. We are such a loved community, and we have got each other's backs, and it makes me feel so good to know that. So today I wanted to do something kind of fun and something new, and guys, this is going to be a makeup tag, and I tag every one of y'all to do it. This is the corny makeup tutorial, and it is just where you tell corny jokes while you're doing your makeup. Simple as that. Now, whoever does this can do whatever corny jokes that you want to do. I'm going to do corny makeup jokes. I thought it would be better to do it in voiceover. Again, guys, thank you for all the new subscribers. I love y'all, and I love my family at Glow Tarts is growing. I've got y'all's backs 100% because y'all have had mine. I love each and every one of you guys. Let's go ahead and jump into the video. Alright, Glow Tarts, are y'all ready to hear some corny makeup jokes? This is going to be just hilarious. Now, throughout this tutorial, I did write down what I was using and what I was using it for, so it makes it easier so I could just tell y'all jokes. Alright, guys, the first one. What did the lip liner say to the lip gloss after they had an argument? Let's make up. Is that not hilarious, guys? It's corny but hilarious. I still love them. The next one. What did the highlighter say to the cheekbone? Oh, when they passed on the street, I'm sorry. I glow you. These are really corny, guys. I love it. The contour was fighting with the bronzer, and the bronzer said, "Stop, you'll make me blush." All right, guys. Why did the concealer go to jail? For hiding wrinkles. That is so funny. Why did the foundation love to play baseball? It loved running on base. What did the bake say to the fallout? I'll catch you later. Why did the lips call the liner a thief? Because liner tried to run. What is the lash's favorite exercise? The curls. Why did the eye unfriend eyeliner on Facebook? Because liner kept poking him. Why did the face fall in love with the foundation? Because they were a perfect match. What did the makeup say to the setting spray? Let's get together. All right, guys, I think this is the last one I got. Why did the concealer move in with a setting powder? Because they were on a good foundation. All right, guys, that was the end of the corny jokes. I believe I've bored y'all enough. That was cringe factor for me. But I still love telling jokes. And like I said, if you do this tag, you can tell whatever corny jokes that you want to. It does not matter. It does not have to be makeup jokes. I'm just totally obsessed with makeup, as y'all know. But guys, that was the end of the jokes. And here is the rest of the tutorial. I will fill in with music. Thank you, and I love you guys. And guys, this is the finished look. That is the end of the tag tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope there is a lot of you out there that is going to do this tag because it was fun, even though it is corny. And these LA color palettes, they are so impressive. I could not believe it. I got to pull up some swatches of these bad boys, or at least the colors that I used in them. I love these palettes, guys. Hit to subscribe to become part of the SelfTaught family, guys. We are growing daily. We are growing bigger and bigger, and I absolutely love it. And I love y'all, and I will see you next video.